Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this eye makeup look and how I made my eyes look really big and go from this to this. And stay tuned. I'm showing you how to finesse, how to catfish, how to make your eyes look hella big and like it's taking up hella space on your face. This makeup look is more so for an everyday makeup look, not necessarily specifically for cosplay. You can do this for cosplay if you wanted to, but I wanted to make a video where you can make your eyes bigger and look like an anime style eyes, but a little bit more wearable and natural for the everyday girl or boy, don't matter. But yeah, it definitely makes your eye look bigger. I'm not wearing circle lenses. I am wearing contacts, but they're clear contacts. I put on my bangs wig. This is the same wig that I used for my Jabami Yumeko cosplay from Kakegurui. So if you're interested in what that looks like, then go follow me on Instagram. So I will stop rambling and let's get on with the video. Hey guys. So right now I already did my base makeup and that's what all of this is about. I'm baking at the moment. All you need is a natural or neutral brown toned eyeshadows. I'm going to be taking mine from the Jaclyn Hill palette, Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. It's really gross, my packaging, but I'm going to be using this palette for my eye look today. I try to zoom you in. But when I zoom in, I don't know what's wrong with my camera, but when I zoom in, it turns me blue. So this is the true colors that's going on right now. But if I zoom in and it changed to just color, I'm sorry about that. I don't really know how to fix it. I think it might be my background because it's a little bit reflective in a way, and my camera doesn't know how to deal with it. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyeshadow palette, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And another thing is, for this eye makeup look, I like to set my eyes. So my eyes already have powder on it. Usually for normal eye colored looks, I use a wet base, but for this one in particular, I don't use a wet base because I want it to look softer and not a lot of harsh lines. The color I'm going to be taking from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette is called Pukey, and I'm just going to put that above my crease as a transition shade. And literally this is going to be the easiest eye makeup look. You can also use a bronzer if you would like to do this because you're just trying to define your crease. So I'm going to do the other eye. There. I'm going to be taking a little bit of mocha, but not a lot. I'm going to just softly touch it, and we're going to work that directly on the crease what's the word I'm looking for? Anyways, just put it in your crease. Put it in your crease. Softly, no harsh lines. You just want to darken it up a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to do the other side, and boom. I'm going to be taking a smaller angled brush, kind of like this. You would call it a eyebrow or an eyeliner brush. You can take any small brush, but about this small. What you're going to do is I'm going to show you on this eye, and I'm going to do this eye. I'm going to finish this eye with you to show you the difference of how different it would look. Now you're going to take a darker brown from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to be taking the color Chip mixed with a little bit of mocha. You don't want it too dark or too black because then it'll look really crazy. You want it to look as natural as possible. A little bit of mocha, a little bit of Chip. And what you're going to do is, you see your eye bag right here, this little dip, yeah, you're going to accentuate that. I'm sure you've heard that from places, from some drag queens and other people, but that is your key. But to make it natural and wearable, don't use too dark of a color. Just make it a little bit more natural. And this hair is bothering me, sorry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it right here, like that. Okay, we're just darkening it up. See the difference? So by doing this, it makes it look like your eye is taking up more space on your face. I'm gonna take it all the way to this end of my eye. It's a little bit further away from the actual end of my eye. Like the end of my eye is over here, I'm stopping it over here. And you're like, ooh, that looks a little crazy, yada yada. What you can do is take some translucent powder. I have some translucent powder in this lid right here. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution banana powder. And I'm going to just dip my brush into the powder. And I'm just going to lighten, just put it where it's at. Exactly where you put the dark shadow, and just lighten it up with the translucent powder. Next, what you're gonna do is I'm gonna take the colors that we used on our crease, which for me it was the color Pukey, and we're gonna put it right on the edge right here of our eye, of the new eye, I guess I should say. So right over here, yeah. Lighter color. I'm gonna actually go to the Daisy Marquez palette. This time I'm gonna take the color Naked, and I'm gonna put that. You don't have to do this part, but I like to accentuate, because I have hooded eyes, I like to accentuate my lid to make it look like my lid's a lot bigger. Next thing, what you're gonna do is now you can take a lighter color, like a white or like a cream color. I'm gonna be taking the shade Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Is that color right there. Now I'm gonna put that. You see that little gap between your eye and the new bottom lash line that we created? That's where we're going to put that white shadow, because we're going to accentuate that eye bag. And again, pull it all the way to the side to make your eyes look big. And then you're going to put it in your inner corner, to pop your inner corner like that, and connect it like so. Okay, we're going to be taking a liquid liner. I'm going to be taking the NYX matte liquid liner, looks like that. And this is the key. I'm going to be doing a wing liner like always. I feel like it won't really, I mean, you could try this makeup look without using wing liner, but I feel like the wing liner would give it a bigger effect, I guess. So if you want a bigger eyes, then I suggest you do the wing liner. But the key about this wing liner from different ones is you're going to start your wing liner from over here. Not the end of your eye, not the end of your actual eye, the end of your newly improved eye. So I'm going to put a dot right there. That's where you're going to start your wing liner from. And believe me, the illusion and everything will come together once you put on lashes and everything. So I'm gonna do that. So like that. It makes an illusion that your eyes is taking more space on your face when you do it like that. Now, you don't have to do this part. It's optional. I like to do an inner corner flick with my liner. You don't have to do this. You can do it. You can choose not to do it. I don't think it will break or make your eyes to look bigger or not. So I just like the way it looks. Like that. I just like the way it looks. Anyways, I'm gonna start by doing mascara. I bought this yesterday. I change up my mascaras all the time. Tip: if you're just starting out with makeup, if you're gonna be putting on fake lashes all the time, it does not matter what kind of mascara you use, because you can't see it. You won't be able to tell. So don't try to spend a lot of money on your mascaras. Just buy whatever. Talking for like 2 minutes straight, and I realized it was not filming. Back to what I was saying. Okay, I'm going to be curling my lashes. well, actually technically I already curled my lashes because again I thought I was filming. I curled my lashes. I should probably actually wipe off this fake. Just one moment please. Now that we're back from that and I look semi decent, I still don't have blush, highlighter, anything on, or lipstick. I'll probably do that after this is all finished, but anyways, that's beside the point. Curled my lashes, so now I'm gonna get this hair that's in my face that I can feel, and we're going to put mascara on. Now here, I'm going to also be putting mascara on my bottom lashes, but here is a little tip that I'm going to be letting you guys know. Now, if you want to do an anime cosplay where you want to do these techniques to make your eyes look bigger, instead of putting mascara on your bottom lashes, I would take a black eyeliner and create fake lashes coming out of your new bottom lash line. Okay, because it creates the illusion of a way bigger eye, and then it looks more anime. That is what I did with my Jaba Miyumiko cosplay from Kakegurui, and that is on my Instagram if you want to check that out to see what it looks like if you create new lash line or new lashes on your new lash line. But for an everyday thing, I'm going to be just putting mascara on my bottom lashes. It's time for lashes. Okay, so the lashes that I'm going to be using are these ones. They look like that. They're very wispy and huge. That's what they look like. Hello. And they're called Sen Nudes. That's the style of the lash. They're by the company Lash Pop Lashes. They would look like this. It looks like a little lollipop. These ones, if you like these ones, these are called Love Me Baby. I'm not really sure how to say that. I don't know. I don't know why it's L-A-V. But Love Me Baby. I do have a discount code. If you want to use my code MercyLove5, it'll be right here. You will get money off. I believe it's 5% off of your purchase, and I know that might not sound like a lot, but these are very, 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 very affordable. Okay, the ones that I'm using, the Sen Nudes that look really huge, I think these are the most expensive ones, and these are $10.99, bitch. And they're like, look, I feel like they're definitely comparable to like the Lily Galichis or lashes and other big name brand lashes that will charge you about $30 for a lash. So these are $10.99, and you will still save more money by using my code. You want to make sure you want to use a really, really big lash and fluffy lash for this look. Or big, fluffy, and probably wispy. I've never tried like a thick, like a ferret on my eye kind of lash, but if you wanted to, I'm sure it'll still keep the illusion just the same. But I love these. I literally wear these every day of my life. So the best thing to do when you're putting on this lash is try to put your lashes a lot further out of your face, as opposed to starting from the inner corner of your eye. I would try to set it up with the outer corner of your eye first, and then, because then it will work well with the illusion. Ta-da! Now, there's a big difference between how big this eye looks. Like literally I'm opening both. I don't know why, but when I'm looking at myself like this, I feel like this eye I'm making really, really big, and then I have to make this left eye big too. But really, right now, like, they're both open the same amount, but obviously this looks like it's a lot bigger because it looks like it's taking up more space on my face. So this is like the one side, eye. And then this is the side. The sad side that I will be changing soon. And now I look red. Scannon! What are you doing? I'm gonna go finish the rest of my face and I shall be right back. So this is the finished product. I put down the bangs and yeah, I did both eyes. And yeah, I look definitely completely different now. I feel like I look completely different compared to when I didn't have my eyes done. But yeah, so this is the close-up. So yeah, I feel like this is a lot. This does make your eyes look a lot bigger, and if you do have circle lenses and you do this makeup, your eyes would look even bigger. But for me, I have really bad eyesight, so unfortunately they don't make circle lenses with my prescription. So I had to find a way to make my eyes bigger for my cosplays and stuff like that. And also I like doing this kind of makeup look for an everyday look. So yeah, if you also wanted to know my everyday look, this is basically, hello, this is basically kind of what it is. So yeah, this is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe down below and push your notifications, which is that bell. I will try my best. I will definitely be posting more and more. I'm sorry for neglecting my channel, but yeah, and if you want to follow me on any other social medias, I will be posting my Instagram and my TikTok handles and Twitter down below. I don't really use Twitter. If anything, the only thing that I use Twitter for is to upload pictures from my Instagram onto my Twitter. So if you don't really have an Instagram but you want to see my pictures, go ahead and follow my Twitter if you want to see those pictures. And I will also put down my Snapchat down below if you are interested, because I do snap here and there a lot about my bubble tea life. But yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!